If you need underground drainage materials and you're in Derby or the surrounding area, we can offer next day delivery for your project. Drainfast is a reliable supplier of underground drainage with a high quality service we can deliver to any building site in Derbyshire from our large depot in Coventry. With over 20 years of experience, Drainfast is no ordinary merchant. We're groundworks product specialists with a unique service. If you decide to place your drainage order with us, here's what you can expect. Order by 5 PM for next day delivery, free takeoff service from your site drawings, friendly, knowledgeable and fast customer service, excellent stock levels across our 3 depots in Alton, Basildon and Coventry. We have you covered if you have building projects in the Derby area. If you also work further afield around other parts of England, we serve a large area and you can check our full delivery map on our website. We stock a wide range of quality and innovative products in our depots. Call us, email us, or visit our website now for more information.